If you're an engineer, a builder, or a working professional who loves understanding how things actually work, you're in the right place. I started Manufora with a simple belief: engineering deserves storytelling that matches its brilliance. Behind every product, every process, every piece of infrastructure, there's a problem solver. Someone pushing boundaries, someone crafting solutions that keep the world moving. This channel is my way of celebrating that unseen intelligence and making engineering accessible, exciting, and unforgettable. Here you'll find premium, narrative-driven engineering content. We break down complex systems, explore breakthrough manufacturing methods, and unpack innovations shaping the future. Whether you're on the shop floor or in a boardroom, Manufora delivers industry insights that inspire, educate, and elevate your professional journey. New videos drop regularly, engineered for maximum value, and designed so you can learn something useful in every single upload. If you want exact frequency, I can add weekly, twice a week, daily shorts, etc. New videos drop regularly, engineered for maximum value, and designed so you can learn something useful in every single upload. If you want exact frequency, I can add weekly, twice a week, daily shorts, etc. So if you're passionate about innovation, curious about how the world really works, and ready to level up your knowledge, hit subscribe. Join a growing community of professionals